First, let's start talking about the vision of CAHME. Our vision codifies the approach to continuous improvement. CAHME actively promotes continuous improvement. And here is our vision, and I'll let you read the rest, but it's not just about our program, it's for ourselves. You heard Anthony talk and start off with the reimagining of the accreditation process, which served to kick off many, many initiatives. So now we're going to kind of run through a few of these initiatives that the team has worked so hard on. One of the areas of note on the survey was around inter-rater reliability. And how is inter-rater reliability at CAHME? Well, what we can see is that there are high levels of consistency when site visitors are asked about variations within and among teams. We are at a great baseline, but now how do we move forward with more consistent responses to very consistent? We're not done. Education and training, reward and recognition, it's all hard work that the team is doing to make our site visitors well prepared and to make CAHME better. Continuous required education is a piece that we're adding to this process. We want to improve the consistencies of all our site visitors. So our initiatives in fiscal year 22 and 23 focused on the culture of the site visitors. We felt that before we can implement processes, ensuring that the culture is there will help us achieve success. So we have to start with culture, just like we teach our students. Some of these initiatives included recognizing the fellows through their commitment to CAHME, defining the roles and responsibilities of the site visit team to make sure we are all on the same page. We wanted to reinforce the culture of the site visit team, and thus we created videos that reinforce the team's roles as CAHME brand ambassadors, focusing on our mission. And we established a Fellow of the Year award that honors a fellow selected by CAHME's Master Fellows as best exemplifying the qualities of being a CAHME site visitor. So once a cultural baseline was established, we then moved to look at the tools and processes available to the site visitors. In fiscal year 24, we updated and introduced a new site visitor instruction guide, standardized our education models for consistency, and introduced the decision support tool. This decision support tool is a new collaboration tool that was created. It was discussed as part of the 2023 CAHME update for site visitors, which was released last fall, and we plan to review it again as part of the new 2024 site visitor training. It is a collaborative template with the program review within the program review worksheet. It includes additional fields where the team can insert notes by team members, as well as questions they may have for the program. This document is shared with each site visit team prior to the site visit for the team to use collaboratively together. So Michelle will create a SharePoint drive in the shared drive folder for each team, so the team can use this template simultaneously and watch each other's changes in the same document. The 2024 update, we want to stress that our new process that all teams should be using this tool consistently so we can all be on the same document and working together. For 2025, we're looking to introduce monthly lunch and learns that will provide site visitors with overview for the various tools and guidelines used in site visitor process. So we're also looking to introduce a findings library that will offer consistent language site visitors can use when the finding is a standard missed by multiple programs. For example, there might be a standard language that can be formed for programs who are missing the evidence showing how they use competency attainment data for process improvement. So we want to ensure that all site visitors complete the onboard training as well as the annual educational updates that will provide refresher information on the process as well as highlight policy and/or guideline changes. I cannot stress enough how important annual site visitor education is for everyone in the process. We want to use these initiatives for continuous quality improvement, improving our inter-rater reliability, and clarifying for our site visitors what is exactly needed.